Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. Chainsaws are widely used in forestry, construction, and tree trimming operations. Due to their fast and flexible cutting ability, they significantly reduce labor time compared to manual saws. In dense forest environments, chainsaws can handle various types of trees, from softwood to hardwood. Some high-end models are equipped with more powerful engines, allowing them to cut through large diameter while maintaining high efficiency. The chainsaw is a hazardous tool, so operators always wear protective gear such as helmets, safety goggles, and cut-resistant gloves. Some models feature an automatic chain brake, which immediately stops the blade if kickback is detected. Additionally, when using the chainsaw, the operator must maintain a stable stance, avoiding overhead cutting or unstable positions to prevent loss of control. Cutting into soil or rocks should also be avoided, as it can damage the blade. The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. Tall branches stretch dangerously close to the power lines, swaying in the wind. A single storm or strong gust could send them crashing onto the cables, causing blackouts or even fires. Ground crews can't reach them safely, so a specialized helicopter is called in for precision trimming. The helicopter hovers steadily above the treetops, a long rotary saw hanging from its frame. The pilot maneuvers skillfully, guiding the spinning blade toward the overgrown branches. With a loud whir, the saw slices through the thick limbs, sending them tumbling safely to the ground. Modern hedge trimmers are designed for speed and precision. With razor-sharp blades moving at high velocity, they slice through dense foliage effortlessly. Whether handheld, mounted on a vehicle, or attached to a robotic arm, these machines ensure perfectly trimmed hedges in minutes. In logging areas, circular saw machines roar as they prepare to take down massive trees in seconds. Their razor-sharp blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, slicing deep into the trunk with precision. The sound of cracking wood blends with the engine's roar, forming a powerful symphony of human ingenuity and nature. Once a tree is felled, the next step is limb trimming to refine the log into a clean material. Mechanical arms equipped with smaller saw blades swiftly remove excess branches, cutting each knot with precision. Hydraulic systems allow these robotic arms to move flexibly, trimming at a speed far beyond human capability. Within minutes, the tree is stripped down and ready for the next stage. Long tree trunks cannot be transported as they are, so they must be segmented into standard sizes. Segmentation machines use precise measurement systems to cut logs into pieces suited for specific purposes. Massive circular saw blades spin rapidly, slicing through wood effortlessly like a knife through butter, leaving behind clean, sharp cuts. Each section log is neatly stacked, ready for further processing. In the past, workers had to use axes and handsaws to fell trees, trim branches, and segment logs, an exhausting and hazardous task. However, with technological advancements, modern machines not only boost productivity, but also enhance worker safety. Automated sensors, remote control systems, and intelligent designs minimize risks, making logging more precise and efficient than ever before. Thanks to tree cutting machines, the logging process has become faster and more efficient. From massive forest trees to neatly processed logs, each stage of cutting, trimming, and segmenting prepares the wood for manufacturing into useful products. Technology not only enables faster work, but also optimizes wood resources, reducing waste and maximizing the value of every tree harvested. The logs, after being transported from the forest to the sawmill, still retain their rough, rugged exterior, bearing the marks of time and nature. The sap is still fresh, the bark cracked, and the surface uneven from where branches were cut off. Yet, beneath this coarse outer layer lies precious grain patterns, waiting to be revealed and transformed into a brand new form. As the rough logs enter the sawmill, sharp blades begin their task of stripping away their aged outer layer. The high-pitched whirring of the saw echoes through the air, slicing through the wood layer by layer, revealing the smooth core within. Wood chips fly in all directions, and the fresh scent of timber fills the workshop, marking the transformation of raw logs into neatly cut planks. As the log is placed on the conveyor belt, the sharp saw blade spins at high speed. The piercing sound of metal slicing through it fills the air, tearing through layers to reveal the core within. Sawdust flies in all directions, covering the floor in a fine golden layer. Each cut requires absolute precision. Even a slight misalignment can cause the plank to warp, bend, or crack. From rugged tree trunks in the wild forest, the wood has now donned a completely new appearance. It may become warm flooring, sturdy furniture, or elegant doors. The journey from a raw log to a finished product is a testament to human craftsmanship and the hidden beauty within every grain of wood. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing updates. Thank you for your support.